Okay, section 14.7, applications of rational expressions. Just going to kind of work one of these, and I'll probably throw down one extra video. But as you're going to notice, we're going to do a bunch of these in class, and I'll kind of give you some hints on how to do some of these. So same thing, solve a word problem containing rational expressions. Just read it carefully, read it several times. You're going to want to underline stuff, draw it. I draw pictures. As you kind of see, we'll just kind of work this one out here. Let's kind of look at this. Okay. The denominator of a fraction is 8 more than the numerator. If both the numerator and the denominator increase by 3, the new fraction is equal to 1/2. Find the original fraction. Okay, here, let's just kind of find a good thing here. Okay, the denominator of a fraction, okay, well, we know what a fraction is 8 more than the numerator. Okay, it's not giving us a number so far. So we need to find out here. Let's kind of go to here. We know we've got a fraction. Oops. We'll find out one of these days why it does that to me every once in a while. We know we have a fraction. So let's just draw ourselves a little fraction line here. And it says, the denominator of a fraction, well, I don't know the original number, but I do know that in the denominator, it's n plus 8 more than the numerator. So if I have a numerator here, then this bottom part here is going to be whatever number is going to be the same, plus 8. Okay? Well, if both the numerator and the denominator increase by 3, the new fraction is equal to 1/2. Well, that means I'm going to have to add 3 to this guy, and then add 3 to him, and the whole thing is going to be equal to 1/2. So let's kind of simplify this a little bit. Let's go n, whoops. Let's go n plus 3 all over n plus 11 is equal to 1/2. Alright, well, we have an LCD. Okay, my LCD is going to be 2 and n plus 11. So let's multiply everything by 2 and n plus 11. I'll do the same thing over here, 2 and n plus 11. Over here, the n plus 11 cancels. Over here, the 2 cancels. So now let's kind of go in here and simplify a little bit. So I've got 2 n plus 3 equals, well, that 1 doesn't really mean anything, so let's just go ahead and do the n plus 11. Let's continue on. I've got 2n plus 6 equals n plus 11. Well, let's get everything go. Let's get this guy over to this side, and let's get this guy over to this side. Well, whenever we do that, we find out that n equals 5. So that would be what our n equals. What we need to do now is plug it back into here. So when I have 5 plus 3, we're going to get 8. Okay. Oops, sorry. And then over here, we're going to get 16. Okay. Or reduce that down, and we end up getting, of course, 1/2, because we have a proportion. So 1/2 equals 1/2. And that's kind of how we're going to go through this whole thing. We'll just kind of just piece everything out slowly but surely, but it's all going to work out, and you're going to have plenty of examples.